Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a really fun one. I have been seeing a lot of YouTubers swatching all of their foundation on their face, sharing quick reviews and just blending everything in together to see how it works. So I thought I'll do this fun video today, and I have taken out all of my foundations right now. They are right next to me. So I have 15 foundations. So let's not waste any more time and just get into it. So first of all, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and I'm in shade Amber Dior, which is 77W, Golden Amber. This is a good match for me, the shade, but I don't like the shimmer that this foundation has. As you can see, this is like a really good match. Next up, I have my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the number Y405. This is again a really good foundation, but I don't wear it much because it doesn't offer much coverage. Here's the swatch. This is much yellower than L'Oreal, I guess. Next, I have Milani Conceal and Perfect in number 7. This foundation is a bit too neutral for me and slightly light. Makeup Forever is a good match, and you can see next to Makeup Forever it is looking a bit too neutral. Then I have Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 312 Golden. This is a good match. Next I have Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation in Sicily Amber. This is again a really good match. It's golden. It's very pretty. The color is really good. Next up, I have Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar. This is also a really good match, but it's full coverage, so I hardly use it. Next, I have PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.0. This is again a really good match. Next, I have NARS Sheer Glow in Syracuse. Again a very good match. Next, I have my favorite Kiko Liquid Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Beige 110. As you can see, the Kiko one is much more golden than NARS one though. Then I have Kiko Smart Hydrating Foundation in Warm Beige 40. This one is quite light for my complexion. Then I have Givenchy Radically No Surgetics Foundation in the shade 7 Radiant Copper. This is again a good match, but I would have loved to see more golden yellow tones in there, but it has more pink or neutral tones. Then I have Faces Blendfinity Foundation Stick in number 4 Sand. Honestly, I don't like this foundation. It's very thick and it feels thick on the face. Also, shade is like quite close to my complexion, but I don't like the formula. It's very thick and it's very greasy. It feels very greasy on the skin. Then I have Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I like this foundation and the shade matches me quite well. This is the kind of tone I look for in a foundation. It's quite golden and it blends into my skin really well. The second last foundation is MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation in the shade C4. So this foundation doesn't offer much coverage. It's good for everyday though. The shade can be a shade lighter than my complexion, but the makeup artist said that since it's very low coverage foundation, you should go with a shade lighter. And lastly, we have Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel, which is half a shade darker than my complexion, but it looks nice when I put it on, so it doesn't really matter. So these are all the 15 foundations I have swatched on my face. So let's just blend everything together and see how it looks. shades have blended into something very close to my face color, natural complexion, so they are looking okay. So I'll just quickly do rest of my makeup and come back to share my final thoughts with you, like what all foundation I'm going to keep with me and what I'm going to give away. So my makeup is done, and as you can see, it's looking kind of gray. So this is what happens when I apply foundations that are not strongly yellow toned and have a bit of neutral or pink undertone. So that makes my face gray. That is the reason why I'm going to keep only, I think, 6 foundations out of all the 15 foundations I swatched on my face. So I'm going to keep Kiko Liquid Skin, NARS Syracuse, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, this Body Shop Fresh Nude foundation, Makeup Forever foundation, and my MAC Face and Body. So I'm going to keep only these 7 foundations because rest all of them are looking quite, they have made my face look quite ashy. Yeah, that is the reason why I thought of, swatching all the shit before chucking half of them out. So I'm keeping 7 and I'm giving 8 away to a friend who does bridal makeup. So I'm sure she will be able to use them in some way. I'm not sure about this matte clay one. I might keep it because I like the tone. It matches me really well, and summer is already here. So I'm going to need something that can make my skin less sweaty and can stay on for a long time. So I think I might keep this one. The rest, all the foundations, I'm going to give away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick swatch, purge and review video of all of my foundations. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.